Hey there, welcome back to Bicycle Network Tasmania's Ride with GPS tutorial. In this video, we'll be starting right at the beginning, getting signed up to Ride with GPS, having a look around the dashboard features, and learning how to sign up to Bicycle Network Tasmania's club account. Club features are exclusive for Bicycle Network members, so if you aren't already, click the membership link on screen and get started. Beyond access to the Bicycle Network Tasmania Club, membership comes with medical and income insurance, so if you come off your bike or have an accident, we'll have you covered. Membership also comes with early bird discounts to Bicycle Network events and heaps of discounts across Tasmania. What I'm saying is Bicycle Network membership is an essential for any bike rider. Check it out and sign up to get the most from Bicycle Network and Ride with GPS. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to go to ridewithgps.com. Up here, cue the epic photography and pretty flyer looking site. Always a good sign. We'll notice some tabs up in the top where we can see the Ride with GPS features that you are free to explore to your heart's content. If we click on upgrade, we can see the plans, features and advantages of the paid subscriptions. A paid subscription is not relevant for this tutorial series, but if you want to have a look and see if Ride with GPS has additional features that may suit how you ride, feel free to explore them. Okay, let's go back to the home page by clicking on the logo in the top left corner. Okay, we're going to click on sign up. So nice and simple. We can see that signing up for Ride with GPS doesn't require a lot of information, which is good for the privacy buffs out there. I'm going to be signing up with a email and password, but feel free to sign up with Facebook. I'm sure there's lots of integrations which come in handy, but we won't be needing them for this series. So I'll just put in my name. So put Mike Taz. So my email address is bikemiketaz@gmail.com. And I'll just put in a nice secure password and then click sign up. So as you can see, once we've signed up, it automatically takes us to the subscription pages. You can see that Ride with GPS has 3 types of subscription, but we won't be needing any of those for our tutorial today, so we're just going to skip this and go to our dashboard. We know that our sign up has been successful by checking our email account, where we'll receive an email that looks a little something like this, just giving us a bit of an overview of what we've signed up for. Okay, back to Ride with GPS. We're going to do a full tour of all of the features of Ride with GPS in further videos, but in this one we're just going to sign up to Bicycle Network. So at this point it's important to recognize the Bicycle Network is both a member and we're an ambassador. So an ambassador is an account where we've put out a lot of free rides for people to check out, so anyone coming to Tasmania and wants to have a look, they can always see our ambassador rides. But more importantly for what our tutorial is about today is getting signed up to the club. So our club is more of a user or a friend than it is a normal route. So let's click on friends, add friends to see their activity. So let's add some friends. And we are going to be looking for Bicycle Network Tasmania. Search users. Okay, you can see that we've come up as #1 option, Bicycle Network Tasmania. We support Ride with GPS, which shows that we're a premium member and that we also have a club account. So let's add friend and then also click on Bicycle Network Tasmania. So by clicking onto this page, you've been introduced into our Bicycle Network Tasmania Rides Club. This is where a lot of the action and a lot of the benefit from Bicycle Network Tasmania's integration with Ride with GPS comes in. So what we really need to do now is request access into this club, which gets administered by our ride leader. And it's as simple as clicking this orange button on the middle right, apply to join. When this button is clicked, that message will be sent to our rides leader, who will verify that you are a member, and then they will let you into the club. If you're not already a member, you can always contact our rides Tas at bicyclenetwork.com.au to get some assistance on how to become a member, or check out the details in the description of this video. With that information, you can contact the ride leader and they'll make sure that you're welcome to join. Okay, so let's click apply to join. Okay, so Bicycle Network Tasmania is requesting some information, so I'll just put Mike, then I'll put Tas, and then save. So now that we've clicked that, it's given us indication that our approval has been requested. Once this has been approved, we'll receive an email confirmation that we are in. Okay, so now that we've got all that together, we can now start to explore our profile, making sure our privacy settings are up to date, and making sure that all of our equipment and accessories are put into Ride with GPS, so that we can start to get the most from the features. All that information will be in the next video. So now we just need to wait until Bicycle Network Tasmania has given us the approval, and then we can jump right in.